The World Cup round of 16 clash between England and Mexico is set to kick off at 6 p.m. local time, which would see fans in the United Kingdom glued to their screens or radios at 1 a.m. However, there is no guarantee that it will kick off at this time due to the weather warnings that have been given ahead of the clash. Both Mexico and the Three Lions were not completely sure what time kickoff would be, as reports suggested that it could be moved 6 hours forward or pushed back a few hours to avoid the severe weather warnings that have been given to Mexico City that coincide with when the action is taking place between the two teams. Finally, after several hours of confusion, FIFA confirmed that the clash would be taking place at the original time. However, the match could still be delayed, as the round of 32 clash between Mexico and Ecuador was. It is now being reported that there are several times the England game could kick off, with the likelihood of it taking place at the original time being 40%. The next most likely scenario, as happened with the Ecuador match, is that it could be delayed for at least 30 minutes to 75, this being due to the weather. Meanwhile, the chances that it is delayed between an hour and 2 hours are currently sitting at 18%, with it being only 5% for a delay of over 2 hours. Ultimately, it looks like FIFA will ensure that there is no postponement of the match to ensure the schedule of the World Cup is not interrupted, with the postponement being viewed as a 2% chance. There is a belief being held that once the match kicks off, there will not be a suspension of play, and it will probably finish uninterrupted.